Hello, my name is Joel from IBDB. Today I will review a book entitled My Bird and the Ever After. My Bird and the Ever After are the first books of the My Bird trilogy, written by Jody Lynn Anderson and published for the first time in 2003. Then translated into Bahasa by Debbie J. Christ and Rita Arianti, and republished by PT Gramedia Pustaka Utama in 2011. Genre fantasy and have 352 pages. In general, this book tells of two adventures in ever after, namely May's own adventure and the adventure of Puss Muram, the cat who gets separated from May and tries to find her. Throughout the adventure, May finds traveling companions. Unfortunately, there is a character that may meet and help her guide the way. But when I, as a reader, got used to the character's presence, she suddenly disappeared, and almost at the end of the story, May meet a new character and then become her travel companion until the novel ends. So wondering, is it possible that those who have disappeared will appear again in the next book? Also, at the end of the story, May just find out that her fate has been written to the great thing on ever after. And those great things have not happened yet in this book, because this novel is the first book. So, as if the story is half-hearted, waiting for the next book to finish, there are no mysteries that are solved by the main character in the story. However, reader can enjoy the unique things that are present in this book. The otherworldly life here turned into a fantasy adventure. Even though you are in the ghost world, this does not make this novel a scary story. This book is also easy to read, although I have to admit this novel is a little boring. There are lots of reviews that I found on the internet. I will read out two of them. The first is from Kathleen. My favorite series as a child. I was a little girl that fantasized about ponies and rainbow. I enjoyed the dark stuff. This was perfectly dark enough for me for the age I was, and fulfilled my wishes of the dark but beautiful otherworld. Plus, May was pretty relatable. Then the second one from Jillian. I love this series. It's one of my all-time favorites. It's such a unique adventure, and I love the theme of friendship, love, and becoming. Also, somber kitty, just the best. Those two reviews are just a few of other positive reviews like this, and it seems like this is my only review. I am Joel Parikesit Bellaputra Panjaitan, and thank you.